Whenever I test new AI coding tools, I usually build a fictional vet's office website. It's become my go-to way to quickly see what a tool can do. So for Lovable's recent AI Showdown, I use that same process to compare building with Anthropic, Google, and OpenAI. The results? They were mixed. A toss-up in some areas, but clear differences in others. I gave each model the exact same prompt to generate the foundation for a complete veterinary office website. This is about as controlled as it gets. Then I went page by page, refining the content. At the end, I added a wildcard prompt, the make it pop, to see how they'd elevate the design. As I was building, I had 3 tabs open and bounced between models to compare outputs in real time. OpenAI followed prompts more literally in some places, for example, replicating the header requirements exactly. But the overall design was very dated and didn't align with the brief. Anthropic and Google were closer in quality overall. Anthropic tried making more eye candy, think gradients, a customized scroll bar, more loud, large animations. I liked Google's mock logo, use of fonts, spacing, more subtle animations, and just overall brightness. From a technical standpoint, a few things stood out. I didn't encounter hallucinations. All 3 models stuck to realistic features. There were a few errors and timeouts, but that's not surprising during a hackathon weekend. Most impressively, none of the models lost track of context across multiple pages, but let's be honest about what this test doesn't tell us. It was a narrow use case, one type of website, one image, a single kind of prompt style. Would things have changed with a different color palette? Would more images or a different flow, like starting with just building out the homepage, have made a difference? Also, I'm working inside of Lovable's Vite setup, which I'm less familiar with. I've been building with Next.js in Windsurf. There are a lot of what-ifs here, and that's part of the point. If I were starting a project in Lovable today, I'd probably begin with Anthropic or Google. Both handled structure and design more gracefully than OpenAI in this test. OpenAI's strength was its prompt adherence and structural logic, but its design output needs a lot. And I'm underlining this in bold, flashing, needs a lot of work. But honestly, these models are evolving fast. What's true today may not hold true next month. My biggest takeaway, try the same prompt across all 3, and then try making some edits. Watch how each model interprets your instructions. The one that clicks will probably match how you think and build. If you're trying Lovable, I hope this gives you a place to start. Happy building.